So one bright morning, a hungry fox was wandering through the woods looking for food. He hadn't eaten in days and his stomach was growling. As he passed by a tall tree, he saw a crow sitting on a branch with a big piece of cheese in its beak. The fox's mouth watered. He wanted that cheese, but how could he get it? The crow was too high up in the tree. Then the fox had an idea. "Good morning, dear crow," the fox said in his sweetest voice. "You look very beautiful today. Your feathers are so shiny and black, and your eyes sparkle like stars. I bet your voice is just as lovely as your appearance. Would you please sing a song for me?" The crow, flattered by the fox's kind words, puffed up his chest and opened his beak to sing. As soon as he did, the cheese fell from his mouth, and the clever fox quickly snapped it up. "Thank you for the cheese, dear crow," said the fox as he walked away, happily munching on the cheese. "Next time, be careful of who you trust." The crow, now sad and hungry, realized he had been tricked by the cunning fox.